Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need specific prerequisites first. Updated client, required DLC, and space for rare loot. Once done, equip any item drop modifiers and the fastest traversal gear. This speeds runs and increases chances. Make sure to set a 30 to 60 minute uninterrupted session. Focused runs beat scattered attempts. Then head to the designated spawn zone, follow the known spawn route, and initiate the first cycle immediately, so you start stacking probability in your favor. You now execute the repeatable core loop. Move along the optimized route, eliminating just the enemies that block spawn points to save time. Once you reach the trigger area, use the exact timing cue or action that resets the spawn. Consistency here preserves your run rate. Make sure to interact with guaranteed roll objects before opening chests, because those interactions alter loot tables. Keep a steady rhythm, and note any deviation that changes drop behavior. Finish each cycle by returning to the hub or performing the required save action so the loot registers. Don't log out mid-run. Once done, log results and adjust the route after about 10 runs to remove slow segments. If you hit repeated failures, verify you're on the correct game version, disable conflicting mods, and test for latency spikes because sync issues often prevent item spawns. One troubleshooting tip: restart the client after changing mods or network settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.